Hi everybody, welcome back to Chiani Kiều Giang. Xin chào tất cả mọi người. I'm gonna make Thai sticky rice, eat with mangoes. This is an easy way to make. I will show you how. All you need to have is rice cooker. You don't have to get a steamer like the old days. Các bạn chỉ cần một nồi cơm điện là có thể làm cơm nếp rất là nhanh, không cần phải ngâm nếp qua đêm. And here I got some mangoes. This is the regular mango you see at most grocery store. This one, it tastes good by itself, but not with this type of rice. You want to go find this type of mango, the skinny one called champagne. It's had more sweeter flavors. It go well with the sticky rice. And here we get the coconut milk and the mung beans. Mung beans. Now I'm gonna test this and let you know how it tastes. So some mung beans, coconut, and sticky rice. The mung beans is optional. You don't have to put them on if you don't like it. Well, the mango is so ripe, it's so sweet. Nutty from the mung beans, creamy from the coconut milk, sweetness from the sugar and the mango. It's so amazing taste. Bùi bùi từ hạt đậu xanh, béo béo từ nước cốt dừa, dẻo dẻo từ cơm nếp, và ngọt có đường và trái xoài, thơm nhõng, rất là ngon. You know, in the old days, to have this type of rice, they have to soak it at least 6 hours or more before they steam. But nowadays, with the rice cooker, it's easy. You just put in whatever amount of rice to exactly amount of water, same size, into the cook pot. And after that, about 30 minutes, you get your own sticky rice. Hồi xưa muốn ăn cơm nếp á, rất là cực khổ, phải ngâm trước 6-7 tiếng rồi đem đi hấp. Mà bây giờ ở nhà có nồi cơm điện á, mình chỉ có do xong mình đem đi nấu nửa tiếng có ăn rồi. Okay, this is the sweet rice. Đây là gạo nếp. We use 2 cups of sweet rice. Level it out. So that's how you level it. Every time, whatever type of rice you buy, you always want to wash it at least 3 times to get rid of some of the cloudy water. It helps to get the dust out. This is the 3rd time. The 3rd time is very important, and it's become less cloudy. Should be good. This time we have to strain it all out. We pour out the water 100% from the pot. So that should be okay. There's no more water in here. I'm going to dump back the rice. And with the 2 cups of rice, we're going to put also 2 cups of water. Cold water is better. Alright, so that's done. So we're going to bring it to the rice cooker. This is the brand of rice cooker that I used. Make sure you wipe the outside of the pot so it doesn't bubble the outside and pop. all we have to do with this machine is just press this and it's transferred to rice cooking. And then when it's done, it's jumped to keep warm. While we wait for this, we're gonna go prepare the coconut milk. While we wait for the rice to be cooked, we're gonna prepare 2 cups of coconut milk. 2 cups of coconut milk cooked with 2/3 cups of sugar. Okay, now it is all the sugar dissolved and it's have small bubbles. We turn off the heat. This mixture is using for the dessert topping, so turn off the heat, let it cool, and let's go check on our sticky rice. Okay, look like the button already turned to yellow. Already turned yellow. We're gonna open and check. We have to stir it. We always have to stir when the button switches to the yellow. I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of coconut milk and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, here is a 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't have a measuring cup, you can use also 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, but just taking from the top, do not take the bottom. The bottom is very liquidy. Mix it about 30 seconds to dissolve the sugar. Then we're gonna bring the rice, back the rice, and then we're gonna pour all of it in there slowly. Đổ từ từ. And we stir them. Mix it up very well. Okay, so now you can close this and leave it for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we double check again after the sugar in there. It looks pretty good. Now we're ready to eat. I'm gonna wash some mung beans and dry fry them. Same with the rice, we always have to wash this out. Dump this to a dry pan without oil. You're gonna pan fry just like doing the peanuts. You have to stir it non-stop on high, otherwise it will burn. On high, stir fast constantly, and when you see the color start to change, you can turn down the heat a little bit to medium or low. Take at least 10 minutes to do this. So at this stage, when it's turned kind of goldy orange color, it's done. And this is where my heat is at this point. And here I got some mangoes. This is the regular mango you see at most grocery store. This one, it tastes good by itself, but not with this type of rice. You want to go find this type of mango, the skinny one called champagne. It's had more sweeter flavors. It go well with the sticky rice. We want to wash and peel this mango. Just get the amount of rice you want. And here we get the coconut milk and the mung beans. Okay, first you want to mix up the coconut milk. However amount of coconut milk you like, that's up to you. And next I put in the mung beans. I'm done with my Thai sticky rice mango. I will see you guys again next time. Thank you so much. Phần cơm nếp cháy xoài Thái Lan đến đây đã chấm dứt. Xin cảm ơn các bạn theo dõi. Hẹn gặp lại các bạn sau. June is enjoying the sticky rice also. She don't want mango. No mango? How about sticky rice again? She can smell the sticky rice, she like it, but she don't like the mango. She run down here when she smells it. Mango again? No? No mango? Why? Sticky rice tastes better for you? You like the coconut in there. You don't like the coconut? You full? Okay, bye. Bye, Jude.